how to remove something from continue watching on Disney Plus. First of all, you have to open up www.disneyplus.com. After that, log in with your account. If Disney Plus is available in your region, you might be able to log in. So log in with your account credential. After you log in, now you have to hover over your profile picture in the top right corner of the page to reveal your account menu. After that, click on My Profile from the drop-down menu, which will take you to your profile page. Now once you're on your profile page, on the left side menu, select Continue Watching. Now in this section, you will get a list of all the movies and search that you have started but haven't completed yet. Now scroll through the Continue Watching list and locate the title that you want to remove. After that, next to the title, click the three vertical dot to open the context menu. Once you open that, you have to choose Remove from Continue Watching from the options, and the title will be removed from your list. So that's how you do it, and that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.